I'm a 27-year educator with 16 years experience, most recently in Linwood, California. That's Southeast Los Angeles. I'm a level 1 and 2 Google certified educator. That's easy for you to say, right? Google certified educator. And I'm blogging over at tktinkerspace.com. This is my track record for the last 3 decades: teaching, leading, connecting, and coaching. Since 2014, I started working on online and blended certifications, and then I followed that up with my Google as certified educator. Also, recently, highlights are that I've been teaching and leading in different aspects in our district, and I think that with my Google certified educator, I'll be our district's 3rd Google certified educator. That's what I'm hoping for. This Jamboard little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a little Jamboard for your classroom. My particular example is for my 3rd grade classroom. And I decided to get a little input from my students on their week. How did it go? So I created this Jamboard. How was your week? And it says add a word or phrase that tells about your week. Now, I'm going to take you back from there and just have you start by going to Jamboard. One way to do that is jamboard.google.com. Now, from that, I could have one that I've already created, or I can create a new one. And this one particular, I have the one I just shared with you. How was your week? Now, when you're ready to share it out to the students via Google Classroom, go ahead and click on Share. And you can just get the link right here. But I want to make sure that that link is more than viewer. Make sure the students can be editor. So you click down there. Do you see what I did? Click on there and then editor. Then you say copy link. Then I'm going to click done. I'm going to go over to my classroom tab. I already started the announcement. How was your week? I said, here's a Jamboard to share your word or phrase that tells how your week was. Then I'm going to add that link right here in the bottom, paste it in there, and voila, post. So hopefully we'll get a little response from my students and find out via Jamboard how their week went.